Get ready to witness the sheer might and precision of industrial giants operating at peak efficiency. From massive excavators to state-of-the-art manufacturing behemoths, our journey today will leave you in awe. The Pellench Tarpaulin R5090 is an innovative machine that harvests grapes mechanically. It is renowned for having a large harvesting capacity and for being able to collect grapes from branches with efficiency. Its purpose is to maximize output in harvest seasons. By ensuring a methodical approach to grape harvesting, this machine helps to minimize harm to both the grapes and the vines. The R5090 is frequently acknowledged for its versatility in handling various vineyard terrains and grape kinds. The equipment has the latest technology that enables accurate harvesting at a high efficiency level. The Expo 6430 is a self-propelled crop harvester that is well known for its ability to harvest a wide range of fruits and vegetables. Thanks to its flexibility, the Expo 6430 can be used for a variety of crops, such as beans, grapes, berries, and more. It is made with mechanisms that gently treat crops, reducing harm while they are being harvested. It employs modern technologies for precision crop harvesting and collection. In order to guarantee quality, it is also outfitted with machinery for sorting and cleaning the gathered produce. If you like this video so far and want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. For demanding mining and extensive excavation projects, Liebherr R9150 G7 is a strong and capable excavator. It has an outstanding power output from its high-performance Liebherr V12 engine, which allows for efficient operation even in difficult circumstances. The bucket's capacity can vary between 8 and 14 cubic meters, contingent upon the setup, hence facilitating substantial material handling. For improved performance and efficiency, modern technology is integrated into the excavator. This comprises sophisticated hydraulics, monitoring systems for ideal performance, and control systems. The next item on our list is the powerful and adaptable Liebherr LB16 unplugged drilling rig, which is intended for use in a variety of drilling applications in civil engineering and construction projects. The unplugged aspect, which indicates that it runs solely on batteries, as opposed to conventional diesel engines, is among its most notable features. As a result, it is more ecologically friendly and lowers noise and pollutants at work. The rig is made to be stable and easy to move around while in use. Large-scale mining operations call for a sturdy and capable machine like the Caterpillar 6040 hydraulic mining shovel. The 6040 is a massive piece of mining equipment designed to tackle heavy-duty mining activities. Its powerful engine produces tremendous hydraulic power to efficiently handle big amounts of material, and it weighs over 672 metric tons on average. With its ability to handle a single scoop holding between 22 and 34 cubic meters of dirt, it is perfect for large-scale excavation. The Caterpillar 150 motor grader is a strong and flexible machine for grading, leveling, and maintaining roads, building sites, and other surfaces. It has a powerful engine with enough horsepower for effective operation. A long, movable blade is usually positioned between the front and rear axles of a motor grader. This blade can be rotated, tilted, and angled to move, cut, and level various materials, as well as the ground. A versatile wheeled harvester for effective logging operations is the Komatsu 931-3. Typically, the 931-3 has a strong harvesting head that can handle a range of tree diameters. It streamlines the harvesting process by enabling accurate delimbing and cutting. This harvester's strong engine provides more than enough power to get it over difficult terrain and finish forestry jobs quickly. The power output has been engineered to satisfy the requirements of forestry activities. The 931-3 is a wheeled harvester with exceptional mobility that enables it to move quickly over many terrain types. The Komatsu ZB21 underground bolter has been designed especially for mining activities. It aims to improve productivity, safety, and efficiency in underground settings, where bolting is necessary for roof support. The ZB21 is made of sturdy materials that can survive the demanding circumstances of underground mining. Its robust design guarantees dependability even in challenging conditions. With the help of its bolting rig and bolting arms, this equipment can quickly and effectively install bolts into the mine roof, offering structural support and guaranteeing worker safety. The heavy-duty mid-sized Komatsu PC240LC11 excavator is made for a broad range of digging and construction jobs. The PC240LC11, powered by a Komatsu SAA6D 107E-3 engine, has a maximum digging depth of around 22 feet and a digging reach of approximately 32 feet. Its sophisticated hydraulic systems provide accurate control, seamless operation, and effective performance. These technologies provide faster cycle times, which boosts productivity. Heavy-duty rigid haulers like the Volvo R100E are made for tough mining and quarrying jobs. The R100E is appropriate for large-scale material transportation thanks to its high payload capacity, which is normally in the range of 100 tons. The transporter has an innovative transmission system that maximizes fuel consumption and allows for seamless gear shifting. It has a robust Volvo engine that produces tremendous amounts of torque and horsepower, allowing it to operate well even on rough terrain. The Tomra Sentinel II is a revolutionary sorting machine built for the food industry. With remarkable accuracy and efficiency, it sorts and inspects food goods using high-resolution cameras and highly advanced sensor technologies. Sentinel II's main job is to keep unsuitable or defective items off the assembly line so that only superior goods are shipped to customers. Various food products, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and more, can be sorted by this machine. Tomra is a significant provider of sorting technology, particularly in the fields of recycling and food sorting. They provide a range of types and combinations for their sorting machines, including dual-lane and single-lane sorters. In order to accurately sort things, they make use of sensors, such as cameras, lasers, near-infrared and IR technologies, and others. Single-lane sorters are made to process and sort goods or materials on a single line. They are frequently employed in sectors such as recycling. With dual-lane sorters, however, materials can be simultaneously processed and sorted in two parallel lines. Sesotech provides a selection of recycling sorting systems with conveyor belts that are intended to effectively separate different kinds of waste in recycling operations. The principal mechanism of transferring materials to the sorting system is the conveyor belt. It facilitates effective sorting by moving the recyclables from one location to another. Sesotech incorporates sophisticated detecting technologies, including near-infrared and IR sensors, cameras, metal detectors, X-ray systems, and sensors. Automated systems operated by detecting technologies separate the elements based on certain criteria. The Grifa Smart Sort is an innovative fruit sorting device developed for great effectiveness and precision in fruit handling. With the use of advanced technology, it can sort fruits according to a number of criteria, including size, color, weight, and quality. The process is extensively employed in the agricultural industry, notably in fruit packing houses or manufacturing facilities. It can process a huge volume of fruits quickly, enabling efficient processing. Precise sorting is made possible by sophisticated sensors and technology, guaranteeing constant quality control. The Guaresi Tomato Sniper is a precise tool for harvesting tomatoes with efficiency and precision. This agricultural equipment often employs advanced technology such as computer vision, robots, and artificial intelligence to recognize ripe tomatoes and precisely harvest them without harming the plant or other fruits. Its accuracy enables a targeted approach, harvesting only the ripest tomatoes while letting others mature on the plant. The moniker Tomato Sniper may have come from its ability to target tomatoes precisely and selectively. The JCB 560-80 Industry Pro is a flexible telescopic handler built for extremely demanding industrial applications. It is renowned for having a phenomenal lifting ability and for being able to manage large weights well. Intended for a range of lifting operations in industrial environments, its maximum lift capacity is around 6 tons, 5,600 kilograms. With a maximum lift height of about 8 meters, this telescopic handler provides exceptional reach. Reaching and managing weights at significant heights is made possible by this height. With a strong engine that delivers excellent performance and efficiency, the JCB 427 Industry Pro wheel loader is a powerful and versatile tool that can tackle challenging jobs. The loader arm design facilitates effective material handling, loading, and dumping by providing exceptional reach, lift height, and breakout force. The loader is equipped with an advanced hydraulic system that guarantees accurate and seamless operation, improving efficiency and management. It can usually handle big volumes of material thanks to its substantial shovel capacity of 2.4 meters cubed. The Case PT240D pneumatic tire roller is intended for compacting different kinds of soils and asphalt surfaces. It usually contains a set of rubber tires, usually mounted in a particular way to provide even compaction and smooth surface rolling. It has an operational weight of 21,380 pounds and is fitted with a powerful motor to drive the roller while providing the necessary compaction force. Powerful and malleable, the Minotaur DL550 compact dozer is made for a range of construction and earth-moving applications. Because of its compact design, which sets it apart from larger bulldozers, it can operate on smaller job sites and in cramped areas. The front of the dozer is fitted with a powerful blade that can be adjusted in width and configuration, making it ideal for pushing, grading, and leveling materials. Additionally, it has a ripper attachment on the back to break up solid ground. Industrial machinery is the pinnacle of engineering achievement, designed to operate at peak efficiency. Their accuracy in molding materials is astounding. They work with extreme precision, adhering to elaborate designs with little room for error. With every machine contributing significantly to the entire process, they expertly assemble complex items. Witnessing these machines operate at optimal efficiency demonstrates the peak of human imagination and technological accomplishment.